Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can't see the WhatsApp notifications on your Hafury GT20. So in the first step, always check that you have deactivated the Do Not Disturb mode. You can find it in the top menu, you can see in the second page. If you don't see this icon, click on the pen icon and you can drag it from the bottom section to the app and make sure that you have this feature deactivated. Okay, now we can hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon to open the app info, and now go to the notifications and make sure that you have activated show notifications. You can also go to the advanced and tap on the additional settings. Now turn on the use HardReset notifications or just keep it activated, but remember about that. Okay, in the next step, go to the settings, choose network and internet and tap on your Wi-Fi network. Now choose the Wi-Fi data usage and look for the WhatsApp. Tap on it and be sure that you have background data activated. You can also activate the unrestricted data usage. In the next step, you can go to the mobile network and look for the app data usage. And just do it the same if you see here the WhatsApp icon. After that, you can also try to update your system by opening the settings, system. We have to go to the About device, so About phone, and tap on the wireless update. If you have any updates, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, at the last step, you can also try to reset your network settings. So to do it, open the system, expand the advanced, and choose the reset options. There you have a reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, so just tap on it and choose reset settings. Tap on the reset settings again and look for the WhatsApp notifications. You can also try to reinstall your WhatsApp application, of course. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.